Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are making a giant Spanish omelette with a twist. We are adding Maggi to it. Yes, you heard it right. So today's recipe is called Spanish Maggi Omelette. Spanish omelette is a dish from Spain, traditionally made with eggs, potatoes, optionally including onions, and here we're gonna add in Maggi. Because hey, why not? So let's begin. All we need is 3 eggs, 1 large potato, 1 small onion, and 1 portion of Maggi. Peel and cut the potatoes into thin slices. Also cut the onions into thin slices as well. Now crack 3 eggs in a bigger bowl as we are gonna add the potatoes and Maggi to it later. Add salt and pepper. Whisk them well and keep aside. Okay, so while we whisk, time for today's question. What do you call an egg that goes on a safari? I will tell you the answer in the end of the video. Wait for it. So now, heat some butter in a pan and add the potatoes to it. After about a minute, add in the onions too. Keep sauteing them on low flame. And remember, we do not want to brown or burn them, we just want them to be half cooked. Add in little salt and keep cooking. Now add in the magic masala that comes along with the Maggi. Add in a little more than 1 cup of water and the Maggi and let it cook. We do not want the Maggi to overcook and get mushy. Hence, do not add a lot of water. Cook till the water completely dries up. Once the Maggi is ready, let it cool down and do not add it immediately to the eggs as we do not want our eggs to get scrambled due to the heat. Once it cools down, add it to the beaten eggs and combine very well. Now in a fresh pan, add a little butter and pour the mixture into it. Level it up, cover and cook. This will take around 7 to 8 minutes to cook on one side. If you are using a non-stick pan, it will release itself after 7 to 8 minutes. That's when you know it is ready to flip. And please do not try to flip it with the spatula, it would break. So now the tricky part. Take a plate, place it on the pan, invert the omelette on it and replace it back. That's it. See the beautiful brown crust. Trust me guys, this has become our favorite breakfast recipe at the moment. It does take a little while to prepare, but it is absolutely worth it. Anyways, so cover and cook on the other side for another 5 to 6 minutes. Remove it from the pan and your delicious and filling Spanish Maggi omelette is ready to serve. Oh yes, and about the answer to the question I asked. What do you call an egg that goes on a safari? It's called an egg explorer. I know, bad joke. Do let us know in the comments below if you got it right. Do give this recipe a try and we are pretty sure you would love it as much as we do. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay safe and eat healthy. Bye bye.